Ever wondered what makes someone instantly likable? It's not just about having a charming smile or a magnetic personality. There's a science behind it. Have you ever met someone for the first time and felt an instant connection, or perhaps struggled to make a good impression despite your best efforts? Well, fear not, because in this video, we're delving into the realm of psychology to uncover 10 powerful tips that can make people like you instantly. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Smile at them. A smile goes beyond being an expression. It's a strong tool for quickly connecting and being likable. When you greet someone with a smile, you immediately create a welcoming atmosphere that makes them feel appreciated and valued. Research has shown that smiling not boosts our mood, but also triggers positive responses from those around us. So the time you encounter someone or have a chat, remember the impact of a smile. Let your genuine warmth and approachability shine, and witness how it paves the way for interactions and lasting bonds. Number 2, have open body language. Your nonverbal cues can speak volumes even before you utter a word. By keeping an open posture, you show others that you are friendly, confident, and open to communication. It's important to avoid crossing your arms, slouching, or appearing tense, as these actions may come across as defensive or disinterested. Instead, stand tall, maintain eye contact, and subtly mirror the body language of the person you are interacting with to establish a connection and build rapport. Whether you are in an environment or social gathering, remember that displaying open body language is crucial for leaving a first impression and fostering likability. Number 3, be in a good mood. Our feelings can rub off on others, affecting the vibe and tone of our interactions. It's normal to have ups and downs in our mood. Actively choosing to maintain an outlook can greatly influence how others see us. When you approach gatherings with enthusiasm, hopefulness, and genuine curiosity, you set off a chain reaction of positivity that brightens everyone's day. Whether you're at a networking event meeting coworkers or hanging out with pals, aim to nurture a lively attitude. By exuding optimism and good energy, you'll naturally draw people towards you. Boost your charm in any situation. Number 4, brief physical contact. Sometimes a simple touch can express warmth, connection, and trust in ways that words alone cannot. Studies have indicated that brief unplanned contact like a handshake or a friendly pat on the back can greatly improve perceptions of friendliness and approachability. When suitable, take advantage of opportunities for gestures during conversations, like offering a handshake when meeting someone or placing a reassuring hand on their arm while chatting. However, it's crucial to be mindful of boundaries and respect space to ensure your actions are well received and fitting for the situation. By incorporating contact into your interactions, you can strengthen relationships, build trust, and boost your overall likability. Number 5, show them you like them. Never underestimate the impact of showing interest and gratitude towards those in your circle. Whether you're engaging with friends, co-workers, or people you know, make the effort to demonstrate that you value and respect their qualities. It could be as simple as giving a compliment, recognizing their achievements, or actively listening to their thoughts and perspectives. When individuals feel acknowledged, understood, and valued, they are more inclined to mirror those sentiments of warmth and admiration. By nurturing an environment of appreciation and positivity in your interactions, you'll naturally draw others towards you. Form deeper bonds. Therefore, don't shy away from expressing your fondness for others. Your authentic displays of gratitude will be warmly embraced and returned, enhancing your likability in any context. Number 6, give them a compliment. Giving someone a sincere compliment can truly make a difference in building a connection and spreading positivity in any conversation. Take a moment to acknowledge something about the person you're talking to. Whether it's their style, their viewpoint on a subject, or their uplifting spirit, letting them know that you appreciate and respect their qualities can make them feel important and valued. Remember to be authentic in your praise. Steer clear of compliments and instead focus on traits that you truly admire. By brightening someone's day with a compliment, you not boost their self-assurance, but also create a memorable interaction that increases your likability and strengthens your bond. Number 7, highlight your similarities. Connecting with others through shared interests, values, or life experiences is a way to build relationships and create a feeling of unity. Whether it's bonding over hobbies, a love for traveling, or similar backgrounds, highlighting what you have in common can help foster a sense of belonging and empathy. Take the time to discover these shared connections with the person you're interacting with. By recognizing and appreciating your similarities, you not strengthen your bond, also present yourself as more approachable and friendly in their perspective. Number 8, let out your sense of humor. Laughter is truly a way to connect with others. Don't hesitate to show your side when interacting with people. Whether it's a joke, a comment, or a timely quip, adding humor to your conversations can bring smiles and create special moments of happiness. Just be yourself. Let your natural sense of humor shine. Keep in mind that laughter is infectious, so by sharing laughter with others, you build connections. Make memorable experiences. Number 9, encourage them to talk about themselves. People enjoy feeling acknowledged, understood, and a great way to accomplish this is by encouraging them to share their thoughts and stories. Show an interest in the individual you're conversing with and pose ended questions that encourage them to share. Whether discussing their interests, career goals, or recent experiences, demonstrate curiosity. Actively engage with their responses. By providing them with an opportunity to express themselves, you not demonstrate their importance. Also establish a significant bond that boosts your likability and solidifies your connection. Number 10, don't try to be perfect. Embrace your imperfections and let go of the burden of trying to be perfect. Being genuine is more appealing than striving for flawlessness because it allows others to truly know you and form connections. Of chasing an ideal of perfection, focus on being authentic, open, and true to yourself. Embrace your quirks, accept your mistakes, and celebrate your journey. It's okay to stumble and make mistakes along the way. In fact, showing vulnerability and humility can make you more relatable and likable to others. So embrace your imperfections, embrace your humanity, and witness how being true to yourself can be your strength in forming relationships with those around you. Mastering these psychological tips can help you navigate social interactions with confidence and charm. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or nurturing existing relationships, remember to smile, be open-minded, and show genuine interest in others. By incorporating these strategies into your interactions, you'll not only make yourself more likable, but also forge deeper connections and meaningful relationships. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.